Welcome to my vlog assignment. I am Corey Waugh and I have chosen butane as my molecule. The reason I chose butane is that I've always enjoyed camping and I use portable stoves to cook food while in the wilderness. These stoves have compressed butane canisters and use that as fuel to create a flame and in turn feed me and whoever I am camping with. Butane's molecular structure is quite simple. It's a hydrocarbon, meaning it's made up of only hydrogen and carbon atoms. It's also an alkane, because the 4 carbon atoms in the chain structure below are bonded using only single bonds. It's comprised of 4 trigonal pyramidal shaped structures, each of which are central around one of the 4 carbon atoms. The angles between any 3 atoms in this molecule are approximately 109.5 degrees. In a 3-dimensional sense, you can imagine this atom being sort of like a bendy tree trunk, where the 4 carbon atoms in the chain are the trunk and the hydrogen atoms are little branches coming off the side. The reason butane is used as a stove fuel is based around 2 key points. The first is that it is extremely flammable, and the second is that it is easily compressed into canisters. The reason it's so flammable is based around electronegativity. Oxygen has a higher electronegativity than carbon and hydrogen. This means that when oxygen molecules interact with butane molecules, oxygen steals the hydrogen atoms and creates water molecules. The carbon chain is then broken apart to create carbon dioxide molecules. The breaking of these bonds releases a lot of light and heat energy, which we see as flames, which in turn cook our food. The reason butane is so easily compressed into canisters is based around its boiling point, which is -1 degree Celsius. This means that it does not take much compression or removal of heat energy for it to become liquid form where it takes up less volume. It can then be put into canisters and shipped away ready for expulsion and use. The references used in the creation of this PowerPoint are as can be seen on screen. Thank you for listening.